And I want to thank you for giving me the best day of my life.
For the last couple of days, I found myself thinking about being thankful and how we have this one day of the year, Thanksgiving, where we give thanks for all the things that we're grateful for. And it reminds me of New Year's Eve. On New Year's, we create resolutions to better ourselves throughout the year. At the beginning of this year, I wrote a blog about how we don't need New Year's to create new resolutions, to change ourselves, to make ourselves better people. We can do that any day. Each day that we wake up, we have the chance to change ourselves for the better. Or for the worse, but hopefully for the better. Every time the sun rises, it's a new day, and we get another chance to change ourselves and to make ourselves the person that we want to be. And a couple of days ago, I thought to myself, I should view thankfulness the same way. Just like each day allows us to make change and resolve to be better people, each day allows us to be thankful for what we have. I've noticed it's a very human characteristic to give thanks or recollect all the things you're thankful for when you're sick, or you just get through a near-death experience, or somebody you know around you dies. That's when we sit down and we really take note of all the things in our lives that are awesome. But it shouldn't be that way. Every day we wake up, we should recognize what is awesome in our lives and celebrate it. Now there's this unwavering trend of people out there who want to be negative, who want to tell you all the bad things that are going on in their lives, and they never have anything good to share with you. These people are simply not even trying. I mean, if you wake up in the morning, you have something to be thankful for. Waking up. And I know that that's cliched. I know people always say those sorts of things. You should be happy that you're just alive. But you should. You should be happy that you're alive. You can look out your window and see trees and bees and birds, and there's the sun and the clouds and rain. All day long, you are overwhelmed with things that you can be grateful for. It's as simple as eating an apple and being grateful for how crisp it is and how juicy it is, and being thankful that you have food that you can eat. If you're watching this video, you have access to the internet, and yeah, the internet is a cesspool of horrible things, but you know what? There's a lot of good things on there too. Like a million cute videos of animals on YouTube that you can watch that are absolutely adorable, and I'm thankful for cute videos of animals because animals are awesome. I get to connect with people all over the world on a daily basis. People in Georgia and Montana, people overseas in England and Ireland. I can talk to these people, we can connect, we can share love, we can share experiences, and it's a beautiful thing, and I'm thankful for that. And I'm grateful for my phone that allows me to keep connected with my family and my friends, and allows me to get cute little text messages from people who simply adore me because I'm so adorable. That was totally a joke. And even if you're disenchanted at your job, or you're having a relationship problems, or you don't like where you live, that doesn't mean that there's not things to be grateful for, even if you're sick or even if you're unhappy. Because as the day winds down and nighttime starts creeping in, you have the stars and the moon and the sky at night. And it's pretty amazing, and I'm thankful for the universe. And you should be thankful too. I mean, come on, in the end, you should just be thankful that the earth can sustain us for right now. Tomorrow's another day, but today, you have a lot to be thankful for. And above everything else, you exist in a world where there is cake. I mean, all sorts of types of cake. If that's not something to be thankful for, I don't know what is. So give a little thanks, and be assured that I am thankful for you guys for watching. And I'll be even more thankful if you return back to me next week for another edition of That Girl Tyson.
General quarters, all hands man your battle stations, all hands man your battle stations.